Welcome to our virtual STEAM series. I'm Rebecca, and today we're going to talk about bubble science. The first thing we're going to do is make giant bubbles. I have 2 cups of warm water in this pan, and to that I'm going to add lots of honey. And now I'm going to stir the honey into the water. We need to get the honey to melt as well as we can. Just stir for a few minutes. Bubbles are just air wrapped in soap film. The soap film is made up of soap and water or another liquid. What happens is soap molecules bind together and they form a sandwich with water in between. So there's one molecule, kind of like a piece of bread, and then the water, and then another on the other side, which kind of makes like a soap sandwich. And that is why you have a bubble. Now to this solution, I'm going to add a ½ cup of dish soap. So what we have now is a sticky, soapy solution. It might be best to work with this outside if you're at home. Now I have a bubble wand, which I have made from 2 drinking straws, and some string. And I'm going to saturate this in the solution. Now we are going to have, hopefully, a giant bubble. Maybe not. Here we go. Takes a while to perfect the art, the technique. That one didn't hold. And we have giant bubbles. All right, now that we've made giant bubbles, let's move to another experiment. And this is something like you can try with a lot of different things at home. I have 4 bowls. In each of these bowls, I have 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of dish soap. To the next one, I added 1 tablespoon of corn syrup. To the next one, I added a tablespoon of lemon juice. And to the next one, I added a tablespoon of honey, just like we used in the giant bubbles. I mixed them up earlier and let them sit for about an hour. So now let's see which one makes bubbles, if any of them do. So we'll start with the just plain soap and water and see what happens. Let's see. We got a bubble. Didn't last very long, but we got a bubble. This next solution is adding the corn syrup. Let's see what happens here. We got a bubble. The third one is the lemon juice. Let's see. Oh, not much. And I forgot to show you this earlier, but if you don't have a bubble wand at home, you can take a pipe cleaner and just make a circle with it. And the final solution here is our honey. Let's see how that works. So you can try this at home with a lot of different things. See which one makes the best bubbles, which one makes the biggest bubbles, which one's bubbles last the longest. Is there some that you just can't get to work at all? Try it at home and see what you find out. Now we're going to have a lot of fun because we are going to be making bubble snakes. To make a bubble snake, you need a drinking bottle, a rubber band, a sock, a pair of scissors, soap, dish soap, and water. I'm going to take the water bottle, and you may need to have an adult help you with this, and you just cut the bottom off. Just cut the bottom off. It comes off very easily. Cut the bottom of the water bottle off. And then we're going to take the sock, and I find it easiest if you put your hand into the sock, hold on to the bottom, and pull the sock over the bottle. Pull it tightly all across the bottom of the bottle. And you're going to take a rubber band and secure the sock onto the bottle, and then turn the sock down because you will need the top of the bottle. Now I'm going to take some soap, a generous amount of soap, into the water, and I'm just going to mix it up. And then I'm going to dip the bottom of the sock into the soapy water, and then we blow. And we've created a bubble snake. Be sure to always blow out, because you suck when you have your lips on the bottle, because if you suck back in, you're gonna get a mouthful of soap and it doesn't taste very good. So, go out and make your own bubble snakes. I hope you've enjoyed this today. Enjoy the bubbles, and I will see you next time.